Good morning everyone. Today we are going to discuss worksheet 2. So, multiplication of a monomial and a binomial. Recall that binomial is an algebraic expression having two terms. You may look upon binomial as sum or difference of two monomials having unlike terms. Binomial expression is 3xy plus 2y square is sum of monomials 3xy and 2y square. To illustrate multiplication of a monomial and a binomial, we consider the following examples. Example 6, multiply 3xy and 8x square plus 7xy. You can see that 3xy is a monomial and 8x square y plus 8x square plus 7xy is a binomial. So we need to write like this: 3xy into 8x square plus 7xy bracket. So first of all we multiply 3xy by the first term of this binomial expression, and first term is 8x square. So we write 3xy into 8x square, sign of plus, then 3xy multiplied by 7xy. The we need to multiply the monomial with both the terms of the binomial. So now as in the worksheet, first we have done multiply the digits. 3 into 8 is 24. Then x, power of x is 1 here and power of x is 2. So x to the power 3 and y is single. So 24x cube y plus 3 7 ja 21. Then x is x to the power 1 and x to the power 1. So x to the power 2. Then y to the power 1 and y to the power 1. So y to the power 2. This is the answer of this question. Thus, to multiply a monomial and a binomial, we take the following steps. Multiply the monomial with first term of the binomial, then multiply the monomial with second term of the binomial, then add the products obtained in step 1 and step 2 if the terms of the binomial are separated by plus sign. Subtract the terms if they are separated by minus sign. Question 7. Find the product 2a square multiplied by 9b square plus 5ab. Same as first of all we multiply 2a square by 9b square, then we multiply 2a square by 5ab. So we write 2a square into 9b square, so 2 9s are 18 and a square b square. Then 2a square multiplied by 5ab, so 2a square into 5ab, 2 5s are 10 and a to the power 3 b. Then step 3, add both the steps, product of both the steps. 18a square b square plus 10 a cube b cube. We can a cube b. We can see that the variables with both the terms are different. So this is our answer. Then a monomial a is multiplied by a binomial b plus c as a into b plus c, ab plus ab, just like numbers are multiplied by using distributive property. So example 8, find the product 4y square into xy minus x square and then evaluate if 4x is equal to minus 2 and y is 3. So first of all we multiply this like before. So 4y square multiplied by xy, then minus sign, 4y square multiplied by x square. So answer is 4xy cube minus 4x square y square. Then we have to evaluate for the values of x is minus 2 and y is 3. So we can see that our answer is this. We put the values of x and y in this question, in this answer. So 4x y cube minus 4x square y square is equal to 4 multiplied by minus 2 because x is minus 2. Then y to the power 3, it means 3 to the power 3 because y value of y is 3. Minus 4 multiplied by minus 2 to the power 2 because x square and y square is 3 to the power 2. Now we multiply 3 to the power 3 means 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3, that is 27. 27 to the 54 and 54 for ja 216 and the sign is minus. Then 2 to the 4, 4 for the 16 and 16 9 ja 3 into 3 is 9, 144. So both the numbers are negative, so we add these numbers and the sign of the answer is minus, so minus 360 is your answer. Now example 9, find the product 1 by 4 a square b into 5b square minus 3ab and verify the result for a is 2 and b is minus 1. Same question. First of all, we multiply 1 by 4a square b by 5b square, then minus sign, then we multiply 1 by 4a square b into 3ab. So answer is 5 by 4 a square b cube minus 3 by 4 a cube b square. Now we put the values of a and b in this expression and find our answer like this. Okay students, if you find any problem you can discuss with me. Next is example 10, simplify 2a multiplied by 3a square minus 6b minus 1 by 2b 2ab plus 8a. So we have two expressions here. First is this and second is this. First of all, we multiply and find the answer of this expression, then we multiply and find the answer of this expression, then put together both the answers and arrange like terms and then add or subtract. So first of all, solve this. After multiplying we get this, then multiply this, and after multiplying we get this. Now putting both the product together and solve this like terms and all, and answer is 6a cube minus ab square minus 16ab. Example 11, simplify p square into 2p cube plus q cube minus 2q square into p square cube plus 5. Same as first solve it, then put the answers together and then arrange like terms and then add or subtract. So dear students, you need to solve worksheet 2, and if you find any problem you can discuss with me, and try to first of all try to solve the examples by yourself and then solve worksheet 2 and send me at my personal number. Thank you.